Have you ever wondered about the future of agriculture? Picture vast fields that not only produce food but also capture sunlight in a dance of technology and nature. Can traditional farming methods keep up with our growing demands? Could solar panels outshine the age-old charm of crops swaying in the breeze? Join me on a journey to explore whether solar farming could indeed be the next frontier for agriculture. Imagine this: by 2050, the global population is projected to reach a staggering 9.7 billion people. That's nearly 2 billion more mouths to feed compared to today. As we confront this daunting challenge, a new contender has emerged on the agricultural scene: solar farming. Did you know that just 1 hour of sunlight can provide enough energy to power the world for a year? It's a mesmerizing thought, isn't it? Solar farming, also known as agrivoltaics, involves cultivating crops under the canopy of solar panels. This concept marries the idea of harnessing renewable energy from the sun with the practice of agriculture. Fields once dedicated solely to crops can now serve a dual purpose, generating clean energy while nurturing our appetites. Here's where it gets intriguing. Plants, as we know, need sunlight to grow, and they also thrive in certain microclimates. Solar panels, when arranged to provide shade and shelter, can create these optimal growing conditions. Furthermore, the panels can reduce water evaporation, leading to improved water efficiency. Studies have shown that crops like tomatoes and peppers can thrive in these environments, yielding surprising increases in production. But hold on a moment. Could there be a flip side? What if the shade provided by solar panels limits the types of crops that can be grown? What if the energy generated isn't as efficient as expected due to the shared space? Great questions. Indeed, there are limitations. Some crops may indeed require full sunlight to flourish. However, this challenge has sparked innovation. Scientists are researching shade-tolerant crops that can thrive under solar panels. Additionally, the interplay between shade and sunlight can create unique microclimates that extend growing seasons and reduce the impact of extreme weather events. But let's push our thinking even further. What if the cost of setting up solar panels is so high that it outweighs the benefits of increased crop yield and energy generation? What if solar farming turns out to be a transitional solution rather than a long-term answer? Here's the exciting part: solar farming isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It holds promise as a complementary strategy to conventional agriculture. Regions with abundant sunlight and water scarcity could greatly benefit from this marriage of energy and crops. However, in areas with ample land and resources, traditional agriculture might remain the dominant approach. So, is solar farming the future of agriculture? The answer is a resounding, it depends. Our quest for sustainable food production and clean energy intertwines with the dynamic tapestry of geography, climate, and societal needs. As we cultivate our understanding, let's remember that embracing change and exploration might just be the key to reaping the most bountiful harvests, both in our fields and in our future. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe. Sci Opener.